Hello, welcome to this Pro Tools tutorial on importing audio, and we're going to show you the recommended method which is going to help you with file management and keeping all your files together in the same place. So let's get started. First of all, I've got a new Pro Tools session and I'm going to go to File and Import. Choose Audio. And then once you've navigated to the folder on your hard drive that's got the audio in, you should see something like this. Now I've got a mixture of different audio files, but as you can see, as I click on each file, it gives me some information about it. It tells me that it's a WAV file, 24 bits, and the sample rate is 48 kilohertz. If I want to, I can audition the file to check what it sounds like. You just press the play button here. Okay, and as you click on each file, it appears in the left-hand box underneath here. We've then got two options. We can either copy or add the file into our session. If you add the file, what will happen is it will import into your session, but the file will stay in its original location on your hard drive and will be linked to your session. So anything that happens to that file, if it gets deleted or moved, then Pro Tools is going to struggle to find it. A much safer method is to copy the file into your session. So Pro Tools makes a copy, it leaves the original file where it was, and it copies the new file into your audio files folder. Now that's created when you create the session, so wherever you create the Pro Tools session, you'll get, and let's have a look here in Finder. So you get the Pro Tools session file, which is a .ptx file. You also get various folders which it creates for you. So if you've got any video files, they'll be in there. And also audio files will all go into the audio files folder. So let's just go back to Pro Tools. So we're not going to add, we're going to copy. That then places the file in this right-hand box, and if you're finished at that point, you can then click Done. It will then ask you where you want to save the file, and as we've just been saying, the default destination which it's offering you here, the audio files folder, that is the best place to put it. So we click on Open, and it copies the file over. And now it's asking you, do you want to put it on a new track or in your clip list? Most of the time you're going to want to put it in your clip list, so then you can choose later what track to put it on. However, there might be some times that you want to put it straight onto a new track if you know that that's definitely where it's going. I'm just going to put it in my clip list for now, so I click OK, and it appears here in the on the right hand side of the screen under the clip list. Let's just import a couple more files and I'll just show you something else to watch out for. So import audio. Now if I choose this file here, this is a different sample rate. This is 96 kilohertz sample rate. And Pro Tools can't work with audio files of different sample rates in the same session. They've all got to be at the same sample rate, and when you create your session, you choose the sample rate, that's it. It has to stick to that sample rate. So now instead of copy, the option it's given me there is to convert. So if I click on convert, it's now telling me the source sample rate is 96 kilohertz, the destination sample rate is 48 kilohertz, and we're all good to go with that. So let's click Done. Same as before, we save it in the audio files folder. Click OK for clip list, and it's saved in my clip list, along with, as we can see in Finder, all the other files that I've imported into the audio files folder. So now if I want to move that session onto an external hard drive or onto a server, then it's easy to copy all the files from one location than having to find lots of different files dotted all over your hard drive. So I hope that helps you with file management, and thank you for watching.